Chicago. Oh, man. It took my cocoa butter. I'm gonna be ashy, too. Look, I need to make up some time, so is there any way I can drop you between here and New Chicago?
Yeah, there is. Growing up, my brother used to tell me about how before the fall, people live in cities without walls, without fear. We were trying to get to a place like that.
Well, I'm sorry to break the news to you, sister, but all those cities are gone.
No. No.
Oh my
Sanctuary
God.
City in the Midwest. That's where we were headed before things got fucked.
Well, does the sanctuary city have a map?
HQ. Tell me how it was.
To be with someone in this business, you've each done what you know. I watch her, I see her, she watches me.
Final husband.
Black bag, rated R, now flying only beers, sexual engagement in BubbY.
Give me a bed, baby. Lie down. Lie down, baby girl. Oh, good baby girl.
If you're tired, just pull over.
Give me a bed, baby. Lie down. Snow. Give me a bed.
It'd be a lot easier if I didn't have to sit here in complete silence.
Give me a bed, baby girl. Snow. Lie down. Lie down.